Let's go. Welcome to Commercial Cleaning, from zero to janitorial. We finally reached section 7, and I want to talk to you about how do you get started in this business. Now, before you set anything in motion, you need to cover all your basics. Make sure you establish a legal company. You need to get insurance. You need to create a business plan. Don't just start cleaning or looking for clients. Make sure you create a business plan, and then there are softwares that can guide you through. I would recommend you do research on YouTube, Facebook, Google, and create that business plan. Probably next you're gonna have to acquire some tools and equipment. Now you probably want to start reaching out to a business, offering, and a good way to start getting clients, maybe offer free deep cleaning, first time deep cleaning. I've seen companies do that. You offer a deep clean in order to get as much experience as you can. That can go a long way. Now if you don't have any experience cleaning at all, you can always do it for free. You can go to a business and say, hey, I want to open my janitorial business. I need to get some experience. Previous to that, I would recommend you do some research, again, probably on YouTube. And you can go to small businesses. It doesn't have to be a big business. And, do it at night. They're going to love the free cleaning. Some extra cleaning is not gonna hurt them, and you're gonna get a lot of experience. You have to do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, get it through your head. Whatever it takes, you have to do it. Now, since COVID, I have seen lots and lots of residential cleaners that want to switch to janitorial but have no idea where to start. First, whatever you learn in residential cleaning business, make sure you throw it out of the window. Commercial, completely different game. I see it as a completely different business altogether. I usually make I compare, to the guy that probably puts your roof to the guy that installs your electrical outlets. One business has nothing to do with the other. And even though that people think, oh, it's just cleaning, has nothing to do one with the other. Residential and commercial. And if you're about to start, just one, okay? Just one, residential and commercial. Anyways, that's something probably do as I say, not as I do. But anyways, let's talk about probably what you need. Office. You don't need an office. You need to find clients for your employees. And this is something I didn't know. But think about it this way. Every client that you're gonna look for, all you have to ask them is for a janitorial closet where you can put all your equipment. So now, guess what? You don't need employees to come pick up things at the office, or some people use a storage unit, or some people start doing residential cleaning in their garage. So, they in their home and they have people come to their home and pick up stuff. Commercial cleaning, none of that. All the equipment, all the cleaning solutions, all that will be at your client's location. So that's a big one. No need for an office. I'd say that's huge. Let's talk about vehicles. So we're talking about basic janitorial cleaning, right? We're not talking about professional floor cleaning, none of that. So just regular basic janitorial services. Vehicles. How many vehicles do you need? 0. No vehicles. That's beautiful. I love that. In residential cleaning, I have a fleet of vehicles, and it gets expensive. Not just to buy them, but to do all the maintenance. It does get expensive. So basically, try to think about it this way. Once you find clients for your employees, you just tell your employee, this is your client. You have to go there 3 times a week, 6 hours per visit. Go there, do your work. That's it. Come back, go home. Once you're done, go home. There's no need for an office. There's no need for vehicles. It's a big difference. Imagine if you have 2 clients, one that's 3 times a week and one that's twice a week, between 6 and 8 hours per visit. That's a full-time job. So you can send just one person to take care of those clients, and they get to know the facility. They make the connection with your client. So you make sure that your client is happy and your employee is happy. So again, completely different business than residential cleaning. So let's talk about the equipments and the tools that you might need. I'm not gonna go deep in this. That you can probably do some research and see what you need. But again, you store everything in your at your client's facility. That's where you put all the equipment, all the cleaning solutions. Everything goes at your client's facility in a janitorial closet. So again, no need for an office, no need for vehicles. Now you might have to make a trip every 2 weeks maybe to your client to replenish. And again, we can use software, so your cleaners can let you know, hey, we're running out of this, and you can go and replenish whatever needs to be replenished. And now that's it. You just have to make sure that they have all their tools and they have all their cleaning solutions and all that. That's all you have to do. Make sure of that. And as you grow, you can probably hire someone to do that job, and you concentrate on getting new clients and managing your business. But imagine that basically you don't need that many clients as residential to grow the business. See the difference now? See the big difference now? I see it as commercial cleaning. You don't carry tools to your client's facility like you might do in residential. Everything should be ready at the facility at all times. Just waiting for your employees to show up, do their work, they can go home. It's completely different than residential. So as you can see, the approach in you taking commercial and versus residential, completely different. Now it's gonna let you avoid a lot of overhead expenses that you don't need, so your cost is gonna go down. And that's why, and I talk a lot about, I made the comparison between residential and commercial because a lot of people are starting residential and then want to switch to commercial. I haven't come across people that just started not a lot. I've seen some, but not a lot of people just started in commercial and stay in commercial. I don't think I've seen anyone that went from commercial to residential, but I see a lot of people that just started residential, and it's completely understandable. And that's the way we started, actually. Residential, it's an easy way to start in the industry. Now, if I knew what I knew before I started my business, if I knew what commercial entails, I can see that commercial is probably 10 times easier than residential. It's just that at that time, I didn't have the information available to me. So it's easy for you to start as a residential cleaner because you get the equipment, you clean your house, probably once a week, or you have some experience because you clean your own home. So now you can find a client and clean for them, and it's more like the first couple of clients is more like a amicable relationship, more like a friendship, more or less, and you grow from there. Now, again, commercial is just so much easier, less expenses, less headaches. If I knew this before I started my business, I would probably gone commercial since day one. But again, it's not impossible to switch your business from residential to commercial. It takes time because again, it's completely different approach. I hope that helps you see the difference between them both. I see commercial as less overhead, less headaches, completely worth it. I love commercial cleaning. Again, it's completely different business than residential. I recommend that if you want to try it, that you go ahead and try it. Start looking for businesses that might need your cleaning. Definitely worth it. Okay, until the next video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you hit that like button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See ya!